Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Immerse yourself in the complex realm of tree pruning, an art that combines the expertise and vitality of nature. Arborists, armed with special tools, engage in a carefully choreographed dance among the branches. With grace and precision, they sculpt and prune, improving not only the aesthetic appeal but also the overall health of the trees. This delicate process goes beyond routine maintenance, creating a harmonious balance between human skill and natural resilience. Modern equipment with advanced capabilities takes tree pruning to new heights, ensuring that urban and natural landscapes are graced with artfully crafted, flourishing trees. Discover this world where arborists' hands shape the living sculptures that adorn our surroundings. Intrigued by the technology of tree pruning? Share your thoughts below. Step into the exciting world of earth moving with the versatile Komatsu D65EX, which takes center stage, delivering the precision and power to shape the landscape. Equipped with advanced engineering and state-of-the-art technology, this versatile machine is an integral part of the construction and earth-moving industries. Maneuvering gracefully on the ground, the powerful dozer blade cuts through soil and overcomes obstacles to create architectural forms for a variety of projects. The Komatsu D65EX is a transformative force that is crucial for laying foundations, leveling surfaces, and supporting construction work. Its effectiveness lies not only in its power, but also in the skill of the operator, who organizes the interaction between man and machine to achieve the desired results. Experience the world of snow removal, where powerful machines take center stage, driven by skilled operators who navigate the winter maze with grace. Snowplows carefully plow paths, turning snow-covered roads into clear highways. The snowplows release controlled jets of snow into the air, creating a spectacle of white powder against the winter backdrop. It is a synchronized operation in which each machine plays an important role. From powerful snow plows that clear main roads to maneuverable paving machines that keep pedestrian crossings safe. As the convoy of snowplows moves forward, a sense of order emerges from the winter chaos, transforming snow-covered landscapes into a canvas of cleared paths and providing a continuous pulse to daily life. Embark on a journey into the realm of sound barriers where careful installation transforms the soundscape. These barriers stand guard against the incessant hum of traffic, the hustle and bustle of city life, and the constant echo of industry. Rising up along highways and urban corridors, they are not just structures but acoustic architects conducting a symphony of tranquility. Watch as professionals work alongside machines to precisely install each panel, creating a shield that softens the intrusion of noise into the surrounding space. The installation process is a testament to the intersection of engineering and ecological harmony, where each barrier becomes a guardian of tranquility. These structures redefine soundscapes, providing communities with pockets of tranquility amidst the cacophony of the modern world. Delve into the world of soil fertilization, where the Vervate Hydrotrike XL takes center stage in the complex dance of nourishing the earth. This colossal machine moves gracefully across spacious fields, while its specialized equipment precisely doses fertilizer to enrich the soil. The Hydrotrike XL is not just a vehicle, it is a guardian of agricultural prosperity. Thanks to its advanced technology and unmatched efficiency, it ensures that every inch of soil receives the nutrients it needs for strong plant growth. As it maneuvers through the terrain, it symbolizes the combination of human ingenuity and environmental stewardship, ensuring a fertile future for crops and supporting global food production. This process helps to maintain the delicate balance between feeding the world and preserving the health of our planet. Enter the world of firewood harvesting, where the 750 plays a key role in turning raw wood into a valuable source of heat. This robust machine is a testament to efficiency and precision, demonstrating the skill with which this process is carried out. Thanks to its powerful cutting mechanisms, the Sawbench 750 expertly turns logs into uniform pieces ready for fireplaces and stoves. By working tirelessly, it exemplifies the combination of technology and tradition, providing a sustainable way to meet the demand for firewood. Stay tuned to learn more about advanced technology and its profound impact on various industries. Dive into the fascinating world of hay baling, where agricultural traditions are seamlessly combined with cutting-edge technology. In this complex process, dedicated farmers use specialized machinery to efficiently collect and process freshly cut hay. These bales, which are needed for livestock feeding and various agricultural purposes, symbolize the harmonious combination of human ingenuity and technological innovation in modern agriculture. The landscape is brought to life by the efficiency and reliability of machinery, demonstrating its crucial role in sustaining agriculture. Take a look at the time-honored practice of hay bale harvesting, which illustrates the delicate balance between tradition and progress in an agricultural landscape that is constantly changing. Step into the world of potato harvesting and discover the fine art of this important agricultural process. In the heart of the potato fields, these sophisticated machines efficiently extract the starchy treasures from the ground in an environmentally friendly way. Witness the harmonious coexistence of nature and technology as rows of potatoes are expertly dug, highlighting the vital role of innovation in modern agriculture. From the carefully cultivated soil to the boxes filled with freshly harvested potatoes, this journey unfolds a story of responsible farming and sustainable food production. It's a testament to the ongoing collaboration between human ingenuity and the natural world to feed a growing world population. Immerse yourself in the age-old practice of plowing, where the symphony of the plow cutting through the soil resonates with the timeless rhythm of agriculture. During this essential operation, a sturdy plow, driven by the hands of experienced farmers or powerful machinery, turns the earth over to prepare it for the next planting cycle. The fertile soil, freshly opened, is a canvas waiting for the push of seeds to sprout a bountiful harvest. Whether pulled by a team of horses or hitched to a modern tractor, the plow remains an icon of agriculture, symbolizing the partnership between man and the land. This ancient practice not only sustains the agricultural cycle, but also embodies the deep connection between people and the land. Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective on this game-changing technology. Travel into the world of bamboo harvesting, where the combination of nature's versatility and modern agricultural practices takes center stage. This fascinating process involves the use of specialized machinery, such as electric mowers, to efficiently harvest mature bamboo stalks. Moving through the bamboo groves, these machines carefully cut and harvest the valuable crop, emphasizing sustainability and the ecological use of resources. Bamboo, a renewable resource with a variety of uses, is becoming a key player in industries ranging from construction to cooking. Firewood harvesting is a meticulous process that involves cutting, splitting, and preparing wood for use as fuel. This essential operation combines precision and efficiency to ensure a steady supply of firewood, which is often used for heating homes, cooking, or recreational fires. To streamline this process, specialized equipment like chainsaws and log splitters are commonly employed. Firewood harvesting caters to a wide range of needs, from homeowners seeking warmth during the winter months to campsites and outdoor enthusiasts looking for a reliable source of firewood. This practice not only provides a sustainable energy source, but also supports responsible forestry and land management. Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective on this game-changing technology. Immerse yourself in the world of asphalt paving, an essential construction process that involves precisely laying and compacting layers of asphalt to create smooth and durable roadways, parking lots, and other paved areas. This operation combines precision and efficiency to ensure proper adhesion of the asphalt to the surface, resulting in a safe and durable pavement. Specialized machinery, such as pavers and rollers, is often used to achieve the required thickness and quality of pavement. Asphalt paving plays a critical role in the development of modern infrastructure, contributing to the safety and convenience of transportation networks. For both urban roads and highways, this process is necessary to provide a smooth and reliable surface for vehicles and pedestrians. Immerse yourself in the process of unloading cement from a ship. It involves the careful and efficient removal of cement cargo from ships for distribution and use in construction projects. This operation requires careful handling and specialized equipment to ensure the safe and controlled unloading of cement. Typically, cement is transported in bulk or in bags, and unloading may use conveyor systems, suction equipment, or manual labor, depending on the type of ship and the infrastructure available at the port or destination. Unloading cement is a critical step in the supply chain to ensure that this essential building material reaches markets and construction sites. Stay tuned to learn more about advanced technologies and their profound impact on various industries. Embark on a journey into the world of earthworks, where precision and power converge to shape the land for various purposes. Earthworks encompass a range of activities, from excavation and grading to landscaping and land preparation. The Maschio Gasparotto 7000 and the John Deere 8320 are formidable machines that excel in these tasks. They combine cutting-edge technology with robust engineering to ensure efficient and precise earth moving. Whether it's for agricultural, construction, or land development projects, these machines play a pivotal role in transforming terrain, optimizing land use, and facilitating various industries. Dive into the world of tree transportation with the Dutchman 600i and Dutchman 500i. These specialized machines redefine efficiency and safety in the delicate task of moving trees. Advanced engineering and cutting-edge technology ensure the seamless transportation of trees, whether for landscaping, reforestation, or urban development projects. From nurseries to construction sites, these equipment combinations play a crucial role in preserving and relocating trees, supporting environmental sustainability, and supporting green initiatives. These machines offer precise control, minimizing stress on trees during transport and ensuring their successful transplantation to new locations. Intrigued by tree transportation technology? Share your thoughts below. Step into the world of ditch creation. The Meripede OJK-1.3 is a specialized machine designed for precise ditch creation, efficiently excavating and shaping channels for agricultural and land management purposes. These ditches serve crucial functions such as irrigation, drainage, soil improvement, and enhancing land usability, making the Meripede OJK-1.3 an essential tool for optimizing agricultural productivity and sustainable land use. With advanced technology and expert engineering, this machine ensures efficient and accurate ditch creation, benefiting farmers and land managers by enhancing land usability and productivity. Explore the challenging world of snow removal on the railroad, a critical operation that ensures the safe and efficient functioning of train networks during the winter. This intricate process demands precision and power to clear snow and ice from tracks, switches, and critical infrastructure. Advanced snow removal equipment, including plows and blowers, is utilized to tackle heavy snowfall. Expert operators navigate these specialized machines to keep railroads operational, ensuring the timely transport of goods and passengers even in the harshest winter conditions. Delve into the world of roadside cleaning, a crucial operation that keeps our roadways safe and beautiful. This essential process involves the meticulous removal of debris, litter, and overgrown vegetation from roadsides. By employing advanced machinery and skilled personnel, roadside cleaning enhances road safety and contributes to the overall aesthetics of our communities. From urban streets to rural highways, explore the methods and technologies that drive this vital service, ensuring cleaner and safer roads for everyone. Stay tuned to learn more about advanced technologies and their profound impact on various industries. Delve into the world of fence installation with the process of creating a grid for the fence. This essential step combines precision and planning to lay the foundation for a secure and well-structured fence. Experts carefully measure and mark the locations for fence posts, ensuring even spacing and alignment. This grid serves as the framework upon which the fence will be built, providing stability and support. Whether it's for residential privacy, agricultural enclosures, or security barriers, creating a grid is a fundamental part of the fence installation process, ensuring the final result is both functional and visually appealing. Dive deeper into the world of crop harvesting with the Fend Ideal 8 and John Deere W650i. These powerful machines are at the forefront of modern agriculture, offering precision and efficiency in crop collection. Their advanced technology and engineering ensure seamless harvesting across various crops, from wheat to corn, and their high-capacity design makes them indispensable for large-scale farming operations. Farmers around the world rely on the Fendt Ideal 8 and John Deere W650i to optimize their harvests, ensuring a steady and efficient supply of food to meet global demand. Are you involved in agriculture in any way, or have you seen harvesting technology with your own eyes? Write in the comments below the video. It'll be interesting to read. Experience the explosive world of hard rock blasting, where precision and power unite to break through the toughest terrain. This intricate process involves the controlled use of explosives to shatter a rock, enabling access to valuable resources and facilitating construction in challenging environments. Combining advanced technology with expert expertise, hard rock blasting showcases the harmony between modern innovation and traditional mining practices. If you personally experienced hard rock blasting or want to share your insights, leave comments below and stay tuned for updates on innovative construction. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!